sure you guys are spreading out against the white gate for me, please, and thank you.
Of course, that may be just another legend. Just ahead is the frontier land, where our journey ends. On behalf of our entire crew, I'd like to thank you for booking passage on the Mark Twain. At this time, we ask that you prepare to disembark. If you're on one of the upper decks, please make your way down to the first deck. The stairway to the right side and the back of the boat, they offer the quickest and easiest. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that your enthusiasm meet real soon.
Engine room. Approach levy at 1/4 speed. Man the Lowlight. All passengers, stand by to go ashore.
This Grand Steamer Mark Twain is now accepting passengers and cargo for an authentic steam-powered journey up the rivers of America. Before we have you come aboard, there are just a few reminders. When boarding the Mark Twain, please take your time, look down, and watch your step. If you're boarding with any young ones, please take them firmly by the hand and help them aboard. Also, folks, we ask you to refrain from any smoking, gambling, and of course, drinking of that hard liquor while aboard the Mark Twain. Now, this will be the first boarding call for the Grand Steamer Mark Twain. Board!
Welcome aboard, folks. Please look down and watch the doors. Find it down. Welcome aboard, folks.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Mark Twain Riverboat. I'll be your captain for this journey along the beautiful rivers of America. Just a few reminders to keep us all safe during the trip. Please do not sit or climb on the outside railings, and be sure to watch your children. We don't want to be fishing anyone out of the river. Also, there should be no fires or smoking on board. Thank you. And now, here's a few words from the first mate.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, no se sienten en las barandillas exteriores ni se trepen en las mismas. Asegúrense de vigilar a sus hijos y absténganse de fumar. Gracias.
That's the leadsman calling out the deck markings so we can avoid running aground. Mark Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is 2 fathoms deep. That means it's safe enough for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia of the Great Northwest, the graceful Missouri of the windswept plains, and the rugged Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way, and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans. Rich in history, music, good food, and ghost stories. One of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it an even 1,000. If you're brave enough. We're now passing Fowler's Hollow. This is home for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She rounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the stars and stripes around the world. The most famous landmark in this area is Tiana's Foods. They're on Old Salt and home to Tiana's Bayou. From here, you might spot guests making quite a splash at Princess Tiana's party. Head on over when you get a chance. Almost there. Adventure is part of Bayou Country, a welcoming place. While you're in Bayou Country, you might want to grab a cabin and try your hand at this working music. You can work up a real good sweat rowing one of those around the river. Me, I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day. deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful. Sharing a story all of us together. He's telling me tonight how a woodpecker taught a young tribe to take a hollow out branch and turn it into that most wondrous musical instrument, the flute. It's a legend from the Lakota that goes down from generation to generation. Just beyond the show is a tribe of Plains Indians setting up their camp along the banks of the river. They'll be here for a few months and then move on. As we continue our journey, keep a close eye on the riverbanks. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other wildlife. Side is Pirate's Lair at Tom Sawyer Island. Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I see why. If you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early in the morning and go to school. And you never have to wash your face and hands. All you have to do is just look for treasure all day long. At least that's what Tom Sawyer thought. Back into civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering buttes of Big Thunder Mountain. Rumor has it that the railroad built to haul gold out of the mountain has been seized by supernatural forces, and they've turned the mining trains into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Of course, that may be just another legend of the river. Just ahead is the frontier land, where our journey ends. On behalf of our entire crew, I'd like to thank you for booking passage on the Twain Riverboat. At this time, we ask that you prepare to disembark. If you're on one of the upper decks, please make your way down to the first deck. The stairways to the right side and the back of the boat may offer the quickest and easiest route. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that you'll visit us again real soon.